This room has definitely probably seen some pretty interesting parties, but we're definitely going to keep it more family oriented and figure out what we're doing with all these beds and all these couches all facing the one hot tub. My name is Frank Caruso. I'm a owner-operator of now Sessions and Black Forest. Yeah. We acquired Black Forest January 1st of 2025. It's kind of a sister property to our Sessions Retreat and Hotel that's just a few blocks down the road. Beautiful property, beautiful potential, great history, and great location. We'll do like a huge chandelier up here, probably replace some of this wallpaper. And definitely gonna keep the tub. People love the tub. There's already a working hot tub. These tubs here are very, very popular. Pulling the tub out of the inside and actually installing a tub outside. I'm one owner, Clif is an owner, and then Matt is our third owner. If I'm noticing things on the accounting side, I bring it up to Matt. If I'm noticing things on the development side, bring it over to Clif. I think as an ownership team, we're fortunate. We work really well together. Clif is my BFF, he's my work husband. Him and I will send Facebook links till like 11 o'clock at night being like, dude, did you see this, this pickup truck swimming pool bed thing? And I was like, yeah, I saw that yesterday. I didn't think you'd like it.
I'm Clifton Irwin. I'm overseeing the design and the construction of the remodel. I definitely think we're taking some chances. We're looking to do something new. Every room's a little unique. Every area is unique in this whole place.
Our oldest cabin that we have here is from 1896, and we still rent the cabin out, and that was on this property during homesteading times. Balancing preservation with something new, I think we're gonna nail it with our new concept. I think that that's exactly what we're trying to do.
The consistent themes, at least from hotel to hotel, is to remain curious and playful and kind of bring you back to a time in your childhood. It's very vibrant, and it also challenges you like in absurdism and absurd humor a lot throughout the properties.
An old cabinet tube TV with a Nintendo NES on it with Duck Hunt. I mean, that's just fun. I'll have 40-year-old guys come in with their kids and he's like, does that work? And then he'll go drop the kids in the room. Wifey's over there with the kids and he'll come back here and literally play Mario 3. A 40-year-old man is sitting in here playing Mario 3 and he's just like, doesn't want to be bothered. My day-to-day here is, it's random. I mean, there's our normal general manager duties. This might be my favorite lobby, This might be my favorite hallway in this entire property. How's the build out going? What are we choosing for wallpaper in the lobby? What are we doing for carpet? Like what colors are we choosing? I mean, just imagine shining carpet, red walls, terrifying, so exciting. This is our next phase of development. We're moving into this building like next week. This one is next to be painted. They're working on this now. This will be this really kind of forest green that you see over there. Christoph has been finding these like really insane statement pieces. We're big on lamps. We love lamp. Housekeeping, you want meaningful pillow? Jackie, there you go. Oh. Purge everything in here, clean it out, redesign the entire area, and then you can actually walk through right into the lobby area through here. Christoph, who has done an amazing job at our Flatlander Lounge, he moved over here to take over initially. He's done probably a third of the rooms. Now that we're turning his attention towards the lobby's gonna be grand.
Once in a while I get my hooks on to a bar or restaurant. This is the first hotel I've done. Super challenging, especially when they're old and funky, where everything's disjunctive. You're trying to get it all to harmonize. I'll do a lot of pencil drawings. This is for this bar. And this is for the fireplace zone. 16 feet, 1/2 inch, that's good. Gonna make a nice long bar.
I think that entrance is gonna be such a first impression, and holistically, I just want it to feel complete. Okay, you checked in, this is the vibe, and it'll just be more of a flow. and operationally as well for the front desk. I can't wait.
What I want people to feel when they walk in is a sense of familiarity. Black Forest has so much history here in Big Bear, and some of the folks that have been coming in here tell us how their family has been coming here for generations. It's their favorite place. I don't want to lose that. I want to keep the familiarity. I want them to feel that, you know, we've taken this with care and turned it into something rad without losing the identity that Black Forest already had.